Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best portable cordless car vacuum you can find today. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Monozzle. Let's get started. Product feature. The advanced brushless motor delivers impressive suction up to 15 kilopascals in max mode and 10 kilopascals in eco mode, effortlessly pulling deep-seated dirt from carpets and car seats. Equipped with high-capacity 6,000 mAh batteries, you get a solid 25 minutes of continuous cleaning time with quick charging technology that gets you ready in under 4 hours. A built-in LED light acts as your eyes in the dark, revealing hidden dust under car seats or in dim corners of your home for a truly thorough clean. Designed for comfort, the simple one-click on-off switch means no more sore fingers from holding down a button during long sessions, making tidying up feel like a breeze. This kit includes professional accessories like a crevice nozzle and extension tube, perfect for reaching high blinds, ceiling corners, and those tight gaps in your vehicle. Cleaning is a snap with the one-click dustbin release and a lightweight 1.4-pound body that feels effortless to carry between your kitchen, office, and car. You receive 2 durable, washable HEPA filters that help maintain peak performance and air quality, ensuring your environment stays fresh and allergen-free for your family. Pros. You are going to love how light this feels in your hand, making it a joy to use rather than a chore. The constant on switch is a real lifesaver for your hands, and the powerful suction means you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying a spotless space. Plus, having those extra washable filters included shows they really care about your long-term experience and home air quality. Cons. While the 25-minute runtime is perfect for quick car cleanups or tackling specific rooms, those planning a deep clean of an entire large house might need to recharge halfway through. Also, the 4-hour charge time requires a little patience before it is ready for its next big adventure around your home. Final thoughts. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with a car that is always guest-ready and a home that feels light and airy. This little powerhouse is not just a tool, it is a way to reclaim your time and keep your favorite spaces beautiful without the heavy lifting. It's about making your daily life just a bit easier and more organized. You deserve a cleaning companion that works as hard as you do. Your car and home deserve this level of care. Check the price link in the description to get yours today. Subscribe to Best Product and like this video to stay updated on the best gear for your life. See you next time.